What's up, YouTube? My name is Braden, and I'm going to give you my initial thoughts and recommendations about the Acorns app. For starters, I started using this app about a month ago, um, in December 7th and 8th. Today, it is January 8th, so I'll be tracking about a month of my portfolio. So, as you can see, on December 7th and 8th, I put in about a lump sum of $260. That being said, I'm a college student. I don't really have a steady cash inflow, or I don't really have that much money in the first place. So, Acorns really allows you to start investing with as little as $5, which, I think is a really great benefit for any new investors out there. Also, to get your feet wet, putting money into investing is better than holding on to cash or, just having it sitting in a normal checking or banking account. So, as you can see, I have recurring investments on of $5 weekly. I think the best way to invest and maximize your portfolio is to have a steady cash flow going into that portfolio. So whether that's weekly, like I have, monthly or annually, I think that's the best way to maximize your profits. And you need to make sure to be doing something like that, which Acorn makes it really easy to do. Scrolling to the top, you can see my total invested, which is $290. My total gain slash losses is $10.07, which is over 1 month, which is almost 2%, which I was really surprised at. I didn't expect that much. I just started investing. I would consider myself an investor new, but to see a gain of over $10 in a month with little cash, I had little involvement in this account was pretty cool. Also, you can see I have dividends of $1.87. Companies give dividends, whether it's quarterly, semi-annually, annually. Companies give dividends. The cool thing about Acorns, it invests those dividends right back into your portfolio, for they'll continually add on to it and have continuous growth in it, which I think is a great feature. Looking more into the tabs, you can see the performance. Since I've been about a month, I'm going to show you all my month performance. And as you can see, the line is very upwards trending. It's got some high peaks. It's overall, a solid line for my market gain and losses, which is 1.86%. If I hit over, you can see total gain and losses, which is the same as my market gain and losses. This is because this is a cool function on Acorns, but if you're a college student, you don't have to pay the small fee back to Acorns on your gains, which is really cool and a really great benefit for college students. All you have to have is an email with an edu, an edu email, and it automatically registers you as a student for you get this benefit. Another thing, if I slide over, you can see exactly what you're investing in. Now, for Acorns, I'm invested into the aggressive portfolio. There's, I think, four to five different kind of portfolios. In my opinion, I think the aggressive is the best. Shows you what amount of dollars percentage, shares is exactly, going where. Also, you can click on the large company stocks, what I'm invested in, and it's invested into a Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, which is an ETF that pretty much just tracks the market index. ETFs are a great way to start investing, mostly if you don't have that much money, because it exposes you to a variety of different industries, different companies, and you're able to diversify your portfolio, without having to buy every individual stock, which can get expensive. So, I think Acorns does a really great job of investing in these top ETF, ETF shares and funds like that. Some cool benefits of Acorns is roundups. Personally, I don't have roundups right now. I think I will in the future. But say you buy a Coke for $1.50, that 50 cents will round up to $2, but that 50 cents will automatically get invested into your portfolio. So it's like you're investing and having recurring investments with you not even knowing it, which is really clutch. And if you're trying to, grow and maximize your portfolio as much as you can. So I'll probably look to turn that on in the future. Also, there's found money, which is another cool thing that Acorns has there's a bunch of different companies, and you can click on them, and it'll take them to their website, and you can buy things off of them, and they'll, depending on what you buy, they'll directly invest, say like eBay, 1% of that back into your Acorns account. So it's a really cool way to make, pretty much free money by, using these different kind of companies with this found money. So Acorns, it's another great feature that they offer. Lastly, I'm just going to say they have this grow tab, and it's just a way for you to have resources and ways to look, find articles to continue your knowledge about investing. They have a lot of cool, quick articles and different kind of things that you can stay up on. If you want to know what the PE ratio is, if you want to know how much money you should invest, what kind of risk you're going into. There's all different kinds of articles you can look into here. So it's really a great resource on this grow. Overall, I've really been enjoying Acorns. Recently, I got a Robinhood account just because I want to be more actively involved trading and do more work on my own. But this Acorns account, I'm going to continuously have, and I think it's a great thing for starting investors and investors that don't really want to do that much research. Like you can see, I put in $290 within a month, and I made over $10, which is pretty good in my opinion for not having that much knowledge about stocks and investing. So I really recommend it with all the different kind of benefits that they have. They're really trying to push people to use, and I think they've done a great job. So I just want to say thank you again for watching. I'm new to YouTube, so if you could like the video, share the video, comment, what you think was good about the video. What do you think I need to change? What do you look for in the future videos that I can make? Would really appreciate it. So thank you again, and have a good day.